Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajeem. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Sadaf Ayub here from Metropolitan School. And beta, it's math time for class 8. In this class, beta, we will start exercise 7, which is about profit and loss. For finding profit or loss, we will know about selling price. What is selling price? The selling price is the amount a buyer pays for a product or service. And beta, selling price is also called market price or standard price. The amount at which an article or product is made is known as cost price. What is profit? Profit is the total amount producer earned after subtracting the production cost. When the selling price is greater than cost price, we earn profit. A loss is an excess of expenses over revenue. Means beta, when the cost price is greater than selling price, we bear loss on that product. So the formula of profit is SP minus CP, and the formula of loss is equal to CP minus SP. In this exercise, beta, we will also find out profit and loss percentage. Beta, when we divide profit by cost price and multiply by 100, we get profit percentage. And when we divide loss by cost price and multiply by 100, we get loss percentage. Now beta, for solving questions, we will move to our solution board. Now beta, we will solve question number 3 of exercise 7 from page number 92. And question is that if Bilal purchases a vase for rupees 3000 and sells it for years later for rupees 3500, मीन्स बेटा बिलाल ने एक वॉज परचेज किया जो 3000 का था और आफ्टर 4 ईयर बेटा उसने उसे सेल किया 3500 में. एंड व्हाट इज़ द प्रॉफिट परसेंटेज अर्न बाय हिम, और हमें बेटा हमें प्रॉफिट परसेंटेज फाइंड आउट करनी है जो बिलाल ने अर्न की. नाउ बेटा फर्स्टली राइट द डेटा. एंड बेटा 3000 रुपीज़ ये क्या है? कॉस्ट प्राइस. CP is equal to rupees 3000 and 3500 is SP. सेलिंग प्राइस है ना बेटा ये. एंड नाउ बेटा फर्स्टली वी विल फाइंड द प्रॉफिट. प्रॉफिट गिवन नहीं है ना बेटा हमें, तो फर्स्टली वी विल फाइंड द प्रॉफिट. आफ्टर दैट वी विल फाइंड आउट प्रॉफिट परसेंटेज. And we will move to solution. And beta, we know the formula of profit, which is profit is equal to selling price minus cost price. And beta, selling price is 3500 minus, and cost price is 3000. It will be 500. Rupees 500 is the profit of this vase. Rupees 500 beta is the profit of Bilal. And now beta we will find the profit percentage. And the formula of profit percentage is, then put the values in this formula. Profit is 500. Cost price is 3000. And multiply by 100. Then बेटा अगर कैंसिलेशन पॉसिबल है तो आप कैंसिल कीजिएगा. डिवाइडेड बाय 3, और बेटा 50 डिवाइड बाय 3, द आंसर विल बी 16.66%. हम इस वैल्यू को बेटा राउंड ऑफ करके 16.7 लिख सकते हैं. आंसर, दिस इज द प्रॉफिट परसेंटेज विच अर्नड बिलाल फॉर सेलिंग वॉज. नाउ बेटा वी विल सॉल्व क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 ऑफ एक्सरसाइज 7 फ्रॉम पेज नंबर 92. Javed buys a desk for rupees 15,000 and a chair for rupees 5,000. जावेद ने बेटा डेस्क और चेयर परचेज की 15,000 एंड 5,000 में. A few months later, he sells the desk for rupees 15,500 and the chair for rupees 1,000. बेटा आफ्टर फ्यू मंथ उन्होंने उसको सेल कर दी. What is the overall profit or loss on the sale? In this question, beta, we have to find profit or loss. Calculate the profit loss percentage. After that, beta, we have to find percentage of profit or loss. Firstly, beta, write the data. And now, beta, in this question, we don't have total SP or CP. टोटल SP और CP नहीं पता हमें, टोटल सेलिंग प्राइस और कॉस्ट प्राइस नहीं पता. सो द कॉस्ट प्राइस ऑफ चेयर ₹5,000 एंड कॉस्ट प्राइस ऑफ डेस्क. फर्स्टली बेटा वी हैव टू फाइंड टोटल कॉस्ट प्राइस. देन बेटा सेलिंग प्राइस ऑफ डेस्क. एंड व्हाट इज द सेलिंग प्राइस? ₹15,500. And what is the selling price of chair? It is 1,000. Now, firstly, we find the total selling price. Then, बेटा जब total cost price और selling price हम find out कर लेंगे, we will find overall profit or loss. And after that, बेटा we have to find percentage of profit or loss. Now the solution. Firstly, beta, we have to find total cost price. Cost price of chair plus cost price of desk. And the sum is 20,000. This is the total CP. Then beta find out the total SP. Means total selling price. For finding total selling price, we have to add selling price of desk and chair. And what is the selling price of chair? It is 1,000 rupees. And what is the selling price of desk? It is 15,500 rupees. And the total selling price is 16,500 rupees. And beta we have find total SP and CP. Which value is greater beta? CP or SP? CP is greater. CP is greater value beta. Means बेटा अगर कॉस्ट प्राइस हमारी सेलिंग प्राइस से ज़्यादा हो हमें क्या होता है? लॉस और प्रॉफिट? लॉस होता है क्योंकि हमारी कॉस्ट प्राइस ज़्यादा है. इट्स मीन हमें लॉस बेयर करना पड़ा. सो बेटा वी विल फाइंड द लॉस एंड लॉस परसेंटेज. And beta the formula of loss is cost price minus selling price. And beta what is the cost price? 20,000. And what is the selling price? 16,500. Beta subtract selling price from cost price. It will be 3,500 rupees. This is the loss for selling desks or chair. Now beta we have to find the percentage of loss. And the formula is loss percentage is equal to loss divided by cost price multiply with 100. Now put the values. The total loss is 3,500 and total cost price is 20,000 multiply by 100. And beta I know you can solve it by yourself. And beta the answer is 17.5%. So the loss percent is 17.5 and the total loss is 3500. And beta, hopefully you can solve question number 4 and 6 like this. Let's start your work of exercise 7, question number 3, 4, 5 and 6. Alhamdulillah, we have completed our class. Take care of yourself and your family and remember us in your dua. Allah Hafiz.